Hey there, and welcome back to Tony's Auto Works and Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing some rotors, pads, and hardware sponsored by car sponsors and R1 Concepts. I'm doing the front brakes on my 2000 XJ. R1 Concepts has some fantastic stuff, so go ahead and check them out if you get the chance. So I'm going to be starting with a lug nut wrench, my lug nut adapter, a jack, and 2 jack stands. And from here on out, I'm going to show you the tools that we use throughout the video. So let's get started. Now that you've got your wheel off, grab yourself a bungee cord for the caliper, unless you plan on re-bleeding your brakes or replacing your brake lines. In order to keep you from having to do that, just take the bungee cord and wrap your caliper up around your coil spring or something else that's sturdy enough to hold the caliper. Then you're going to need a ratchet and a 10mm. And grab yourself some PV blaster to get those bolts loose if they're kind of tight. Also, you're going to want some, preferably brake grease, or just any kind of synthetic multi-purpose grease to put on the back of your pads so that you have less possibility of getting noises in your front end. So as you can see here on the caliper, got 2 holes for those 10mm bolts that I told you about. Those will be on the inside. Then here's your hub, axle hub without the caliper or the rotor on it. Once you have those off, you can start putting on your new stuff. Don't forget to put some grease on your slide bolts when you put them back in. Now, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but when you buy the hardware kit, you get these little rubbers here, and they go inside here. So I'm going to show you how to replace those. It's not too bad. You can do it if you want. If you see that they need replaced, go ahead and do it. so there you have it. One side is finished. You got your rotor on, you got your pads on, you greased the back of your pads, you greased your slide bolts, you put your new slide bolt retaining rubbers in with greasing your slide bolt retainer nut, rod, I guess I would say. And everything is put back together the way that you took it apart. So basically you're going to do this whole process on both sides, and then you'll be done. That was my installation of the R1 Concept slotted rotors and ceramic pads. I think they look great. They're going to perform a lot better than my stock ones. Thank you for watching. Please go and check out my other videos. My link tree to my other accounts will be in the description. Have a nice day.